Gather around the fire, tribe. Alex Denise here, sharing with you a long-anticipated recipe, a dessert I will absolutely go out of my way for. Cheesecake, but this one is made with my very own Meyer Lemons. Now, I've made different cheesecakes before, but there's an interesting flavor when combining lemons with cheesecake. What makes Meyer Lemons so special is that it has a sweet sour taste compared to the commonly sold Eureka variety, which has a tangy sour. I talk about growing Meyer Lemons in a different video, but for this one, I'm talking about eating them. So break out the dessert dishes and get ready to feast. Here's what to gather. First, we'll start by making the crust. If you're not about that low-carb life, skip this step and buy a crust from a trusted brand. But on this channel, I encourage clean, natural eating, so I'll be making mine from scratch to avoid unnecessary ingredients. So add 1 cup of pecan or almond flour in a bowl. I'm making a half crust, but to make a full crust, add 2 cups and double the measurements from here on. But don't worry, I got you. Add 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract if you're doing a half a crust, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract if you're doing a full crust. Continue to read for what you need, because for this next one, you can use a powdered sweetener or liquid. Now mix until it's crumbly. Next, grease your pie pan with butter or coconut oil. Then spread the mixture evenly. Half crust at the bottom only and full crust bottom and sides. Set aside the crust for later use. Now prepare the main ingredient, the Meyer Lemons. If you want pieces of the lemon pulp in the cheesecake, use this one, or the juicer for the pure juice. I just want the juice for this recipe, but use the flesh for other things like flavoring sparkling water or teas. I'm aiming for 1/3 of a cup. That should be about 3 to 5 lemons depending on size. Since these came off my very own tree, I also saved the seeds. You can use the peel to scent the room. My tree produced 4 ripe lemons with a few more developing before it got sick, and I had to cut them off. Once healthy again, it will take another 9 months before the fruits are ready to pick, which then it will produce year-round, with peak season being through winter and spring. If you don't have a tree, you can find Meyer Lemons during peak at the store or use any other lemon. To understand the difference, here's a side-by-side juice comparison. The Meyer Lemon having a rich yellow color compared to a clear, bright, or cloudy of others. Also, the taste. I'll let you experience that one. I got a little over 80 milliliters from these 2.5 large lemons, which actually puts me over the 1/3 cup, and that's fine with me. Store the juice away somewhere safe and prepare 16 ounces of softened cream cheese in a mixing bowl, followed by half a cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. If doing low carb, use 1/3 cup of sweetener or half a cup for regular sugar. 2 eggs. Last but certainly not least, 1/3 of a cup of Meyer lemon juice. Break into smaller pieces, then get a mixer and smooth out the clumps. Now transfer to your crust. Bake in the oven on 350 for 30 minutes until there's a tinge of brown around the edges. Afterwards, let it cool, then freeze for 8 hours to overnight. And there you have it. Easy peasy lemon cheesy. Or something like that. Not to make this ending bittersweet, but at least you have the cheesecake to indulge in. Let me know how it worked out for you in the comments. Track down other mouth-watering videos on my channel and see the process on the mother channel, True Nature. Until we feast again, remember, skills bring wealth. Seek God and nature for good health. Eat wild, live free.